Imagine someone learning your name, address, phone number, and even details about your family just by looking at you. That would be a nightmare, right? Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your favorite tech hub. That chilling scenario became a reality when two Harvard students transformed Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses into a real-time surveillance tool. Their project, called I-XRAY, was designed not to invade privacy, but to ring the alarm on how dangerously easy it is to do so. When they connected some simple shelf sites like facial recognition, public data search websites, and simple smartphone apps with Meta smart glasses, and then looked at strangers through those glasses, their phone would almost instantly display personal details about that person pulled up from the web in seconds. And the scariest part is, everything they used is freely available online. Like, you don't even need basic hacking skills for that. This wasn't some high-budget sci-fi experiment. It was about proving their point using consumer-grade tech just to show how vulnerable we all are in public spaces. If facial recognition becomes as easy to access as a camera app, staying low-key and mysterious might soon be a thing of the past. Experts warn this kind of tech can be misused by scammers or stalkers, posing a serious threat to public safety. The idea that someone could collect your personal data without your knowledge just by looking at you isn't fiction anymore. Researchers have kept the tool private. They are urging the public to take steps to protect themselves by removing personal data from search sites, opting out of facial recognition databases, and enabling two-factor authentication wherever possible. The future of wearables might be stylish, but it's walking a fine line between convenience and surveillance. Do you find this update alarming? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.